Thank you so much for purchasing your Foamnasium Adventure playset. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have all the pieces in the set and all the vinyl that is accompanied with it. Your adventure playset should include a large wedge, 2 pies, a mini mailbox, a mini tunnel, a block slide, and a toddler step. We're going to start off assembling the mini tunnel. Now when you look at all your vinyl, you'll notice that they are inside out. That is how it's supposed to be, and it just makes it easier to assemble. The first thing that you're going to need to do is find the seam and the zipper. When you find it, just pull like so, and the seam should come apart really easily. For the mini tunnel, you're going to want to find what orientation the vinyl needs to go onto it. The easiest way is to find the corners, line them up with a foam, and then just fold the vinyl over the foam. Once it's nice and snug and the seams are all aligned with the foam, you're going to want to pop out all of the corners. Just slide your hand in and push it out with your finger. After the foam is firmly seated inside the vinyl, you just want to give it a few little pushes to make sure that it's correctly seated. Then go ahead and zip it up, and your mini tunnel is done. Next up, we have the mini mailbox. The procedure is very similar for all the other pieces. Find the zipper, pull apart the seam, and line up the edges of the vinyl with the edges of the foam. Fold it over. Make sure the foam is seated in, and zip it up. Next up is the toddler step. While the shape is a little different, the procedure is exactly the same. Just line the corners up, fold the foam over, pop out all the corners, make sure it's seated in, zip it up, and you're good. The next piece in the set is the large wedge. Make sure you don't get it confused with a block slide. Go ahead and line up the corners, fold the vinyl down, pop out the corners, and zip it up. The block slide is just like everything else. Fold the corners over really tight, make sure it's seated in, and zip it up. The pies are the easiest to assemble, but they're a little different. This one you want to be right side out. So go ahead and grab the inside and flip it around. Then you just stuff the pie foam into the vinyl. Make sure it's all aligned and zip it up. And there you go. You just assembled your Foamnasium Adventure playset.